everyone, set it all your cars. We're back with this 2014 Ford Fiesta ST. This one is an ST-2 model. It's finished in race red with 61,000 miles. Totally standard example. Unmolested, not chavved up. Just a really nice, genuine car. 61,000 miles, 7 services, and in very nice condition. The front bumper is unmarked. We just had that painted actually because there was some scuffs on the lower splitter. So that's perfect. The wheels are all unmarked. Got the 17-inch 5-spokes finished in the graphite grey. Got the red calipers, part of the style pack. Privacy glass. Incredibly straight car, as you can see there. Drives well, looks the part. And yeah, really nice to be able to buy another one that hasn't been messed around with. Your reg number is there for you to do any checks that you wish. There was an advisory for an oil leak, but we've had that sorted. It was just the sump plug, so don't fret over that. Super nice car. All the tyres are good. It's got the keyless entry, the DAB radio, heated Recaros. 1 or 2 stone chips on the bonnet, but very minimal. Let's show you inside. The boot's all really nice and clean. We have got the parcel shelf. We do have the genuine Ford mats, and the seats are split fold. This one doesn't have the spare wheel, but it has got the tyre weld in there. No funny smells, no dog hairs or anything like that particularly. All just really nice and clean. Inside, we have got the grey and black ST interior. Minimal wear to the front seats. I'll just show you the rears really quickly. They're all like brand new with the Isofix as well. But yeah, the fronts are in really nice condition. These bolsters can be quite heavily worn sometimes, but that's not the case with this one. Door cards in really good condition. We've got multifunction steering wheel as well. I'm just going to lower the seat down. Steering wheel, really nice condition. Again, some of these can peel across the top, but this one is all perfect. I'll start the car now for you, so you can see there's no warnings before we run through some of the other features. Fuel in this one as well, no fuel light, that makes a change for us. But as you see, it does start without fault, and there are no warning lights. And if I can, I will show you the mileage. There you go, there's your miles, 61,030. Over here, we've got the DAB radio. I think we've got Bluetooth telephone as well. Somewhere a phone, you have to press the phone button, that helps, doesn't it? There you go. No phone spares. Please add a phone. So we can
search for sync on your device and select sync one.
We're not doing that right now, but there you go. You can see it, it works. It's got the CD changer. Sounds great being the Sony head unit as well. Air conditioning, icy cold, and your heated windscreen, which is all working perfectly. And at the bottom here, we've got your heated seats, both of which work really well. A little bit of wear on top of the gear knob from somebody with a ring like myself, but can't be helped. But it is a 6-speed box. Down here you've got your USB, your auxiliary, your 12-volt. Cup holders in the middle. Handbooks are missing. We don't have handbooks, but we do have an empty glove box. That's about it. All really nice, all really clean, and again, original, not messed around with. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. If you need finance as well, don't forget, we can help you with that. We work with a variety of lenders and brokers to try and find you the best deal we can. Thanks for watching.